to my channel, and welcome back if you've already been here. Today is Wednesday, and when a Wednesday is a national holiday in Iran, we normally have 3 days holidays ahead. Why? Because Thursday and Friday is weekend in Iran, and it will become Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So what are we going to do? Me and Ali are going to travel to the northwestern part of Iran. I try to put a map somewhere around here for you to show you the road. We normally say that Iran is a 4-season country. Why is that? Because here right now, when I get out, I take a video for you. It's like fall, actually, a little bit colder. But when we drive for nearly 2.5 hours, we arrive to Talagan, our destination, which is fully snowy, and it's between the mountains, and it's tremendously beautiful. When we go south for a few hours, we arrive to Kashan, which has a desert, and in daylight you can experience some sense of summer. I don't say at night because deserts get so cold at night. If you go to the north, as you saw on my previous video of Mazandaran and Persian Kenar, you can see the fact that it's kind of like a spring. The spring rains and spring fields, and it's so beautiful. I suggest, if you haven't watched that video of me, watch it. So I'm packing up some stuff because we have booked a hotel. The hotel that we're staying at has only special kind of food. They provide kebabs, which is Iranian's most favorite dish ever. And to be honest, we normally get exhausted because we are going to stay there for 2 nights, and the hotel is so far from any urban part of the city, so we have to just eat the things that is in the hotel. So I normally buy some stuff before we go out. Let me show you this one. This one is a chicken salad prepared from outdoor. I bought it from a restaurant, but it's so freaking delicious. I got some club sandwiches for on the way. These are chocolate desserts. So sweet. Drinks, they are zero. There are Cokes, but 0 Cokes. And we go on the road. Actually, here used to be a lot of snow, but it has melted right now. Here's the street, and I believe there's a barbecue down there. We've never got to go down there because it's always been fall and winter when we came here, but I believe we can use the outside area a little bit this time. The last times it's been so cold. This is the Talagan Dome, as you can see. Normally people come here for picnic, to change weather, to spend the weekend. This is our room. Card didn't work. Ali went downstairs to get a new card. We checked into the hotel, we unpacked and moved in, unpacked every stuff and put it in the closets. We had our lunch, which was club sandwiches, as I showed you before. It was chicken club sandwiches, chili chicken. It cost each double one cost about $1.50. It was very tasty, and we had desserts afterward. Now we are going to downstairs to socialize, play some billiard if the desk is empty, and have some tea. نشستی زیر ماشینا.
آره.
فکر کردم چیز داره. Here is the mini gym of the hotel. Anyone that likes can come here in the morning and just work out a little bit to don't fall off the track. Yeah. Here is the restaurant of the hotel. We are here to have a dinner. Hello everyone, it's the second day morning here. The weather is very good and the light is very good, and as usual that's why I'm out here in the balcony to explain some details for you. Right now we are getting prepared. We got showered, we got prepared to go downstairs and have breakfast. But Persian breakfast has a slight difference with other countries. The nearest culture to Iranians is Turkish, I believe. They are like us. They have fried egg and tomato as I believe they call it melemen. We call it omelette. It's so delicious. I have not seen such a delicious thing because we use special spices inside that mixture. And we have cheese, but again, our cheese is different with other countries' cheese. Our cheese is like very sour cheese that we normally eat it with cucumber and tomato and with a bread that called barberry. I know that here they have barberry. It's a special bread. It's this size and it's just not so much gut friendly, believe me. But it's so delicious, especially hot and warm and fresh to eat. What I can explain next is that we normally, the light is back, normally have tea in our breakfast. Iranians culturally are not coffee friendly people, but nowadays everyone drinking coffee all over the world, so in Iran is the same. Some people have coffee in the morning, but we have tea. Especially me, I prefer tea over everything else. It's make me slightly fresh, not proactive in the morning. We used to have sweets with our breakfast. Different pastries or maybe dates are what we use in our breakfast, and we believe that eating something sweet, of course this is not Iranians belief, everywhere in the board it's proven that if you have something sweet after you eat one meal, it helps you digest faster. And we believe in that. We eat something sweet, we have mixture, because the downstairs breakfast is not such a luxurious self-service, but it's so local and everything is so delicious. We have a mixture of jam and honey and cream that is very delicious in the morning, especially with barberry. What I'm explaining is not a diet-friendly breakfast, but believe me, it's so delicious and it's worth tasting. So right now we go downstairs. I will tape the discs for you. I'll show you everything. علی رو بخوره.
بشین آقا جان بشین.
چیکار قشنگی شما. Hello everyone, it's the morning of the third day. Today is our final stay in the hotel. Actually, we check out today. It's not our final stay. We check out from the hotel. If we could afford it, we would permanently live in a hotel. I mean, who wouldn't? It's so relaxing. You don't have to clean anything. Everything is prepared for you, and so on. There's nothing more left to explain about this hotel and the Taliban. I think it's time to end this vlog here, and I hope I'll be back with better content next time.